How was your convention?
It was really, really beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage our four judges, the two Luka absolutely.
Quick video here is just like a quick update of the London Tattoo Convention. I recorded some footage over there and I wanted to use it, but I did a horrible job recording over there. I was so busy, I wasn't feeling very well, so I'll explain. We had to leave past Wednesday for London. I wasn't feeling super good. I had the client last week and he was so sick, so I think I caught something. I had like sore throat, headache, I was sweating, and we had to get ready for the convention. I packed all my gear. I planned to do 3 sitting on the same client to do a bigger piece, and this client is a guy from Vancouver. So he flew all the way from Vancouver to get tattooed at the convention. I think it's like a 11-hour flight, which is crazy. Thanks for that, James. You rock. Wednesday night, we flew to London. It's always an overnight flight, which sucked. Thursday, I took the day to work on my design to make sure I had something perfect for my client. And you know, I wanted to maybe present it at some of the contests on the last day of the show. So I was very, very hoping for that. So worked on the piece, everything was good. And me and my client, James, agreed on the design. And you know, just to let you know, James...
You know, the last another fucking minute there, gonna piss my pants.
With all this tattoo thing, we became friends. Maybe you saw one of his tattoo I did a month ago. It was a collab I did with my friend Mark Roy. Marc Roy in French. And I speak. It's 11 and it's my 3rd coffee. Thursday, always nerve-wracking for me. Just woke up, I'm getting ready for the convention. I worked for hours yesterday on the design. I kept working this morning. I think we have something cool. I'm always a little nervous before convention to get everything ready, to just meet all those people. So hopefully everything's gonna be okay. Ariane just went to grab some coffee to get pumped for the day. And yeah, I'm gonna see you over there, guys. Go! To be ready to meet all the people, to be there and to do the good job, I'm always nervous. So I go there. I met my booth partner. His name is Christopher Henriksen, a super cool dude. I think we became good friends. We had a lot of fun together this weekend. You guys have to give him a follow on Instagram for sure. His work is so sick. So yeah, the first day, got my station ready. We started this. Everything went well. I did everything I wanted for the first sitting. I think we did 9 to 10 hours. He sat super well, everything went well, and yeah, went back at the room, no time to party.
First day done, tired, excited for tomorrow.
That night, I woke up around 3 a.m. feeling like headache, thirsty, I was sweating, I had fever, thought I was dying, and you know, it doesn't take me a lot to think I'm dying, but whatever, like, I was dying.
Look today, look the things I felt.
Second day, I was feeling much better. I just tried to get myself pumped up for the sitting. We went to the convention, did the whole day. Again, fever, I was shivering, sweating, and like, we did another 9 to 10 hours. After this sitting, I just wanted to go to bed straight away. That's what I did. Woke up the next day, felt so much better. We worked for another 6 hours.
So I need a recap of the 3 days. Like,
Okay.
day 1, what was the feeling?
Day 1 was just a breeze. It was it's a little bit anxious the beginning because it's such a famous event.
Oh, for sure.
And then and plus the design, it was just I wasn't sure how it was going to lay out.
Yeah.
And then but I just put trust in you. And then once I saw it starting to come together, second day is actually worse than today.
Oh yeah?
Body wise, and then today it's just been it's been kind of a breeze, and
Perfect.
yeah, it's nice, and I'm super happy with how it's going. Right, it's a wonderful picture.
And we managed to finish the whole piece, which is super nice because the piece is like huge. James was stoked on the piece. I was stoked on the piece. People around could see it. We had some good comment about it. Even if I was feeling sick during the weekend, we had a lot of fun, a lot of good jokes, a lot of good meetings, a lot of work. So the end result, the convention is a success. I'm stoked. A lot of people talked about this channel. It's nice to see that it's not just me in a camera. There's actual people watching this. Thanks for that. That's it, guys. If you like this video, I know it's short, it's just like the footage we had from the convention. I'm really gonna try to do a better job next time. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, share, all of it. I'm gonna see you at the next one. Thank you.
It was really wonder beerful.